In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks Time trial before you're charged. If you started a QuickBooks Time trial and want to make sure it doesn't turn into a paid subscription, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. We'll do everything inside QuickBooks Online, since that's where the billing settings for QuickBooks Time are managed. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account as the primary admin for the company that started the QuickBooks Time trial. Being the primary admin matters because only that role will see the cancellation option we need. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the Company ID and Payment Details page, which lists all subscriptions tied to your company. On this page, look for the entry labeled QuickBooks Time Premium. It should show a status indicating that you're on a trial, along with the trial end date. That's your confirmation you're in the right place. Now, under QuickBooks Time Premium, you'll see an option that says Cancel Your Trial. This is the specific control you want. It appears only on the QuickBooks Time Premium line, nowhere else. Click Cancel Your Trial and follow the on-screen confirmation prompts. You may be asked to confirm that you understand you're ending the trial and that access will stop. Continue through those prompts until you see a final confirmation that the trial has been canceled. Once that's done, your QuickBooks Time trial will stop, and you won't be charged when the trial period ends. A couple of important reminders so you don't cancel the wrong thing. Do not click Cancel Subscription on the QuickBooks Online line. That option is for your QuickBooks Online subscription, not QuickBooks Time. The wording matters. Cancel Subscription applies to QuickBooks Online. Cancel Your Trial applies specifically to QuickBooks Time Premium. If you don't see Cancel Your Trial on the QuickBooks Time Premium entry, double-check that you're logged in as the primary admin and that you're in the correct company account. That's all there is to it. By going through subscriptions and billing, finding QuickBooks Time Premium, and choosing Cancel Your Trial, you end the trial cleanly and avoid unexpected charges. That's how to cancel your QuickBooks Time trial correctly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.